Welcome to 16006 Viking Lair in the highly sought after Viking Meadows community in Westfield, Indiana. 5 bedrooms and 5 full bathrooms, plus a finished lower level, was perfectly designed for both everyday living and entertaining. Let's take a look inside. Step inside to beautiful new wide plank laminate flooring that flows throughout the main level. Just off the foyer, you'll find a versatile main level office or bedroom with easy access to a full bath, ideal for guests or a private workspace. The guest room features a raised ceiling, a cozy corner fireplace, and tons of natural light, and opens seamlessly to the gourmet kitchen. This kitchen includes an oversized center island with seating, stainless steel appliances, and granite countertops. You'll love the walk-in pantry, eat-in area, and large open planning station, ideal for homework projects or daily organization. Heading upstairs, you'll find all new carpet throughout. The primary bedroom is a serene retreat with windows that fill the room with light. The primary bath includes a full tile shower, dual comfort height vanities, and granite countertops. Updated lighting, a private water closet, and spacious walk-in closet. 3 additional bedrooms each feature walk-in closets and ceiling fans. The upstairs guest bath includes dual vanities, tile flooring, and a tub shower combo. You'll also find a convenient laundry room with a utility sink, cabinetry, and shelving. The oversized bonus room provides incredible flexibility, perfect for a playroom, media space, or home gym. The finished lower level is the perfect extension of your living space. You'll find an open family room and media area with built-in cabinetry and a beverage fridge. With 2 egress windows and a full bath with walk-in shower, it easily checks all the boxes for your next home. Step outside to your custom-stamped concrete patio. The built-in gas fireplace is perfect for cozy evenings and is surrounded by mature trees and professional landscaping.